Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So the upcoming Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro is officially rendered and a retail box leak. The Redmi Note 10 and the Note 10 Pro will be unveiled on the next month, March 4, and a Pro Max version may join them. The design of the Pro version has leaked out already and it's making the round on a Weibo. The Redmi Note 10 Pro takes a bite of inspiration from the Mi i10 Ultra for its camera design with a silver trim around the main module. Here is the official looking as you can see in these images render of the phone plus a photo of the retail box confirming that this is indeed the Redmi Note 10 Pro. From what we can make out, there are two large modules plus two smaller ones between them. There seems to be an OLED flash and a laser autofocus window to the side as well. There is this device which may be the Redmi K40 prototype, but the overall design is similar to the Note 10 series. The actual K40 Redmi seems to be this with a ring around the main camera. The photo come from a Tina of course, and the camera bump design matches that seen in the teaser poster perfectly. Where the K40 Redmi will be flagship with a Snapdragon 888 chipset on the Pro and 870 on the non-Pro model, plus a 120Hz Samsung E4 AMOLED display. The Redmi Note 10 series should be more of premium mid-range offering with 700 series Snapdragon chipset. The Redmi K40 will be announced on February 25 this Thursday, a week ahead of the Note 10 series launch. So this is the latest update about the upcoming Redmi Note 10. Let me know in the comment section, are you waiting for this phone? And also like the video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll catch you later in my next video. Peace out.